This is Stoic Mastermind. We're going to show you 10 traits that women find very appealing in guys today. It's no secret that women have a long and sometimes conflicting list of preferences for males. Although there isn't a magic formula for all women, you should be aware of a few qualities that most women find attractive. So here are 10 things that women find incredibly appealing to assist you figure out the code. 10. Initiative and leadership, initiative and leadership. Although you may believe that leading others is a prerequisite for being a leader, women actually prefer leadership that involves self-leadership. Put another way, you're a guy of action rather than simply words, and you take the initiative. Being proactive not only demonstrates to her that you mean what you say, but it also demonstrates that you are independent of other people. And it's obvious why it's so alluring. Women feel safe and cared for when guys take the initiative and have a plan. Are you curious about one of the easiest methods to demonstrate a little initiative? Give her a call if you say you will. A sense of humor, hon. A sense of humor. Have you ever wondered how certain men attract women who might appear to be a bit beyond their league? Although there isn't a clear explanation, it's probably because of the way that guy made her giggle. Not taking oneself too seriously is something you can start doing immediately, but it doesn't mean you have to start telling jokes more. Just try to laugh the next time you do something like spill ketchup on your shirt before you start practicing your stand-up performance. 8. Ambition and passion. Ambition and passion. Why, in your opinion, do women like band members? Is it their image of the bad boy? Is it their lovely melodies? Perhaps for some, but for many women, it's more about an unwavering will to achieve their objectives. Because it is truly uncommon and wonderful to see a man who is pursuing his aspirations in a world where so many people are unable to do so. You don't have to join a band or pick an extremely prestigious career path, but if you find a work, pastime, or objective that you are fortunate enough to be passionate about, you'll not only likely be happy with your life, but any woman you talk to about it will notice your enthusiasm and charisma. 7. Wear your best clothes. Put on your finest attire. One of the incredible, scientifically supported advantages of dressing properly is something that shockingly few men are aware of. Wearing nice clothes is one of the simplest and finest ways to attract a girl's attention. The correct attire can not only make you appear even more attractive to her, but it can also convey to them your pride in your appearance. And don't panic, dressing properly actually means the exact opposite of adopting a completely new look. Because finding clothing that fit you comfortably is half of it. For starters, just be sure to dress comfortably and stay away from graphic t-shirts. Women will find you more attractive right away if you make these two minor adjustments. 6. Self-assurance. Self-assurance. Although it's difficult to define exactly, confidence is without a doubt one of the most important qualities that women want in men. When considering confidence, there is only one thing to bear in mind. And that is because the distinction between arrogance and confidence is really fine. Arrogance may be the thing that sends women away the fastest, even yet confidence is unquestionably one of the biggest turn-ons for women. 5. Capable of listening skills in listening. The following explains why listening is such a desirable trait in a man. It not only demonstrates your concern for a woman's opinion, but it also shows that you can't fake it. Therefore, a lady knows she has something wonderful if she sees that you can listen. Because the woman you're speaking with likely wants to feel listened, appreciated, and valued just as much as you do. So how can you demonstrate that you're paying attention? It's easy. Simply pose a meaningful query regarding something she stated, because asking questions will probably keep her actively drawn to you while also demonstrating that you're paying attention. Goodwill and compassion. 4. Empathy and kindness. Pop quiz. What about men who own dogs appeals to women? Yes, a cute puppy can attract women's attention quickly, but it's possible that they are more interested in the dog than in you. However, when most women see a man with a contented pet, they truly realize that he is a kind, sympathetic man who understands how to meet the needs of others. Not a pet owner? No worries, there are innumerable ways to express your concern. In addition to things like keeping doors open for others, women also observe how you handle two particular groups of people in your life: your mother, and the waitstaff. 3. An openness to experimenting. Willingness to experiment. A man with an adventurous side is one of the biggest turn-ons for women, whether they are your girlfriend or a new acquaintance. Don't get me wrong, she has undoubtedly done dinner and a movie numerous times, but there's a reason it's a classic. What is your best option then? Get things moving a little. Go dancing, try something new to eat, or take an impromptu weekend vacation. A desire to occasionally venture beyond of your comfort zone will not go unnoticed, even if it is evident that you are doing so. Consistency 2. Consistency. Remember how we mentioned that women's preferences can occasionally be contradictory? Well, just as women enjoy the thrill of adventure, stability is the opposite side of the coin that matters just as much to them. It is quite desirable to be able to give stability, and men who are capable of doing so have always been in great demand. While having a reliable career and striving for long-term financial stability can help, it doesn't imply you have to be wealthy or work nonstop. 1. Being authentic. Being who you are. It might sound corny, but if you want to draw in a lady who will want to spend time with you in the long run, rather than just any woman then, being authentic is the most appealing thing you can do. Being oneself is certainly vital, but why is it so appealing? To put it succinctly, you cannot please everyone. Not all of your interests, sense of style, or sense of humor will mesh well. However, that's all right, because you will feel a degree of attraction and genuine connection that has never been experienced before when you encounter a female who truly understands you. If there is one thing that will turn nearly all women away, it is being dishonest or insincere. Why is insincerity such a powerful tool for physically repelling women? At worst, you can come across as simply another guy who will say anything to obtain a female. At best, you might be perceived as desperate and insecure. That's precisely why being authentic is so crucial. These are the 10 things that women find most attractive and the one that they find least attractive. Please let us know if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to click and subscribe. Why not watch some other impactful videos while you're here? Thank you for viewing.